Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to show you how to change hair color like this picture you see with Adobe Photoshop. But in the first time there have two important things you need to know. And the first thing, you need an internet connection. So you need to last update of Adobe Photoshop like an Adobe Photoshop 2024 or 2025. But if you have an old version, you just try if it's succeed or worked, there is no problem. But if it's not worked, you need to remove and reinstall a new version like Adobe Photoshop 2024 or 2025. And now let's get starting. And the first time, going to the Adobe Photoshop and click open and getting original picture. So moving the background to here to make a copy, okay, and right click here and select or click a convert to smart object and go to here, go to filter and click camera raw filter, okay. Stay with just a few moments, and here you need to go into here and click and stay to when opening a list. From here you just see interface like this, you just need to clicking it, okay. When you click stay when opening a list for hire or note or ace or anything, okay. So now going to selecting higher, if you want to change any color you just need to selecting it and make a create, okay. I just change a higher color because this I just selected a higher. So now go to creating and come down with the scroll mouse or moving here, and here you can change the color, okay. So the list is for changing color. So again, and here you can getting a sharpness, okay, and light or brightness. So if you want to save some copies with another colors, you just in here need to press and Ctrl S from your keyboard. When opening the list, you in here just need select folder, any folder you want to saving on it, and rename. I advising you, for example, first picture, make a name with a number 1, and the second copy just change the number to number 2, okay, like this name for example. And here select JPEG tape, and now in here get a maximum or height, any you want, any quality you want, okay. So just click the save, and it's over saving or on your computer. So if you want to change the hire again, you just need to make a process again and saving, okay. So guys, this video is come to end. I hope you love it, this video. Don't forget press or click the like button and share for another people's, okay, and subscribe my channel for see more videos in soon time. So thank you for watching, see you next time, goodbye.